Alright, this is Ripstick Fails number 10. It's raining outside, but I don't care. It's gonna be fun. Go, 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 go! Just so you know, it comes dark early here. And here comes Nick. Come on, Nick, let's go! Oh, that was kind of cool. And here comes Peter. Come on, Peter! Ooh! Ow, that has to hurt. Here comes Steven. Here comes Steven! Here comes Steven! Yeah, thank you, Steven, thank you. And here comes Bank Robber. Also a Supermaster 088. Oh! Whoosh! Might need to work on that. That's Cena over there. Come on, Nick, let's do better than last time. Here comes Peter. Oh! Oh, Peter jumped on that one. Here comes Steven. Do it better than last time. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, nice one, Steven. Oh, there's dog attack. Here comes Bank Robber. Come on, Bank Robber. Go. Good one. Come on, Nick, let's do better than last time. Oh, that was nice. Come on, Peter, let's do it even better than last time. Oh. Peter, did you jump on that one? Yeah, come on, Steven, do it better than last time. Oh, face first! Oh my God! Come on, Xena. Here comes Bank Robber! Oh boy. Nice one. This is an HD Ripstick Fails. Here comes Nick. He takes care of Xena. Oh! Oh! Xena's messing with Nick all over the place. Really, seriously, Nick takes Xena for a walk that time. Here comes Peter. Whoa! Jumped off the bush. Oh my. Here comes Mighty Steven! Come on! Show off your moves! Dude, was that a flip? Woohoo! Here comes Bank Robber. Actually, Supermaster 088. Alright, finale! Alright! This is the finale! This is the finale! Okay, go! Here comes Nick. It's not the finale yet, actually. Peter! My hands are frozen. No, shh, no, not yet. Here comes Steven. Oh! Through bushes and face first to the...
You see that?
Yes, we see that. We see that. Okay, last one to the finale. Oh. Alright, this is it, the finale. Just so I know I have an umbrella up here. And my hands are so freaking frozen. Okay, here we go, the finale. Here comes Nick, then Peter, then Steven, then Bank Robber. 1, 2,